Aloha and Xin Chao. This is Johnny Saigon again, welcoming you to an unboxing and kind of a comparison video with the newest Samsung Galaxy Fold 6 right here. And I'm going to just compare it quickly with how it looks compared to my old Samsung Galaxy Fold 4. Also, shout out to Boya for equipping me with the wireless lavalier mic today. Mahalo, Boya. Okay, so this is the Galaxy Fold 6. Still sealed, so let's go through unboxing real quick. You can see the profile of the box is pretty slim nowadays because they have not included the power adapter in a long time, just the cable and the phone and some paperwork. But let's really see what's going on inside the box. Okay, wow, right off the bat you can see there the difference at the back cover. Notice the Fold 6 is a lot more squared off than the Fold 4, which is more of rounded edges. And I got the so-called crafted black edition. So wow, and you can see it's kind of reflective. Oh, I thought it was going to be like a matte carbon fiber style, aramid fiber kind of thing, but no, this is quite nice. So okay, let's handle it. Let's see how it handles. Okay, there we go. Trying to get up close for you guys to see the sheen and reflection of the back cover. Let's see if I can turn on this light here. Okay, so there you go. Okay, I'm just gonna fold it back real quick. And I'm gonna take this part off the front screen. Okay, just gonna fold it real quick so you can see here how it looks side by side. Because this year Samsung made the Fold 6 a little bit wider when folded, and they had to kind of keep the screen sizes the same. The inner screen size at 7.6 inches. You notice that they made it shorter, so vertically it's shorter than the Fold 4. And let's get this front cover screen film off as well. Okay, yeah, there you can see it's actually a little bit shorter. So you can quite notice it noticeably thinner. I got a little protective thing on the hinge for me, so for the Fold 4, so it's a little bit shiny than usual. But you can see the hinge on the Fold 6 is a lot thinner. Wow. Okay, once again on the back and on the side, it's the power button and also the fingerprint sensor and the volume buttons right here, the bottom rockers, and the SIM card slot, the antenna mainframe. And let's see the difference in sizes folded up here. So on the Fold 5, the one between these two generations, they closed the gap from the Fold 4 quite a bit. So my Fold 4 actually has a rather big gap by the hinge, and then the Fold 5 made it slimmer. But now with the Fold 6, it's almost all gone. And It's much more apparent when you compare the 4 and the 6 in 2 generations. There's a lot of differences here. So the speaker grill, instead of these tiny holes, you get a slit on the Fold 6, and it's actually quite thinner, quite smaller than the previous speaker grill. So I wonder how the sound is affected. Could be a little bit degraded, but we'll see once we do the full-blown video and comparison. Okay, from the top angle, it's the other speaker grills. Sorry for the dog hair there. My Sophia is not here today, but she jumps on the bed quite a bit, so that's why you still have some of the hair left. Okay. The camera array. So on the 5, they switched the flashlight from the bottom of the lens to the right, and so the 6 on the 6 is also to the right, and so the lens array is actually a bit shorter in length. But as you can see, the bezels around the lenses have gotten quite a bit bigger. It's just all cosmetics, just all aesthetics, just trying to make it look, beefier and nicer. But the actual lenses are the inner parts, right? So as you can see, the camera lenses themselves have not increased that much in size, and I know the main camera is supposed to be a lot better this time. At least the Fold 4, physically, all the lenses don't look that much different. Okay, so let's unfold both up. This is my old Z4, Fold 4, and this is the Fold 6. So as you can see, a lot more squared off, a lot more modern looking. Apologize for the dog hair again. Okay, so I'm not going to turn on the phone yet. Just want to do a physical comparison between the Fold 4 and the Fold 6. But wondering if you can see the difference in reflective elements of the two phones. Seems to me there's not much difference on the amount of reflection casted off. Might be a little bit different in color or temperature, but the amount of reflections kind of remain the same. It's not like the S24 Ultra, which I'm using to film it right now, where the screen is rather matte and very anti-reflective. So it seems that the Fold 6 don't use the same technology for the inner screen, the inner main screen, so it's rather still reflective. Weight wise, yeah, noticeably lighter. It's supposed to be 239 grams for the Fold 6, and I think it's like 270 for the Fold 4. I have to double check, but yeah, it's quite noticeable. It's a lot beefier. The Fold 4 is a lot beefier and heavier. Yeah, huge difference. I mean, when folded up like this, it's almost like a regular phone, almost like my S24 Ultra. For another comparison, I have the old Flip 5 here. And yeah, the screen protector has gone kaput, the one provided by Samsung, and I've used this for less than a year, and so quality wise, Samsung isn't all there yet. I think they provide one free screen protector upgrade, but anyways, just weight wise, it's still a lot heavier than the Flip 5, but it's getting there. I mean, yeah, you can actually use this practically now. It's not like a you know, not gonna give you carpal tunnel and stuff just to holding it, fold it up like the Fold 4 does. Basically, I'm using my Fold 4 as like a in-home phone. You know, I don't take it out when I go outside just because it's so damn heavy and so big and fat. I mean, even when you fold it up, you know, it doesn't fit well into any pocket. So with this new Fold 6, it's a lot more, it just feels more compact, even though it's not actually that much more compact because the hinges are smaller and flatter and the overall thickness is less. It just feels like a regular phone when you fold it up. I think a lot more people are going to use this folded now that it's thinner and lighter. So can't wait to see how this line, the Fold line, progress. But yeah, you know, so there you go. Physical comparison between the two Folds, the 4 and the 6. Yeah, really excited to play around with this thing one more time. The crafted black back, it's actually quite beautiful, very reflective. You can actually feel the individual lines. Wow, yeah, this is nice, really nice. Wow, it's gonna tempt me so much to use this caseless, which I've already done with 4.4, but now it's even gonna be a bigger incentive to use this naked like this. Truly a beautiful phone, you know, in particular this crafted black version. Very nice. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the actual full-blown video. Once again, this is Johnny Saigon from Vietnam Vivu. Aloha, and thanks for watching.